Alright guys, so I'm gonna go really quick with you guys and share with you all of their Halloween candy because they're barely stocking right now. So far this is what they have, and you guys can see the boxes down here. Look at all these goodies. There's a Haunted Cookie House for $5. Here are the Krabby Patties. These are so good. They have Reese's white pumpkins. Look at these chocolate candies. This is milk chocolate. 16 pieces. Here's another one. And then here's Frankenstein. So we found some headband boppers for $1. Here's some hair accessories. There's a spider headband. What was the guess? Here's a lollipop. 3 pouches of lollipop with popping candy for $1. I think these are good. We definitely need to try this one out. They're popping candy. And look, other than the Halloween items, here's a fall decor. I think this one's actually really nice for $1. Look, there's some socks in here. They have Charlie Brown.
Ooh, Mickey.
That's Mickey? Mm-hmm. Okay, so some 5 pairs of socks for $5. And then here's Minnie. And they're actually soft, you guys. They are.
No shoes.
Here's, which one's this? Disney. I guess these are the billions. Las villanas. What, do you like that shirt? Oh, this is pretty. Look. For $8 you can get it.
It's nice. I go to
Nice Bugs Bunny t-shirt. It's a pretty shirt. And look. Here's some jegging sets for $9, actually in clearance from $9. From $12.50 to $9.
It's my size.
Here's more clearance. We got babies, toddlers. These are $5. Look. Family Dollar definitely has some cute shirts. Nice styles. Here's another one. This set is cute. This one's pretty. Boys don't have a lot of clothes, that's what I've noticed. But this is all they have. And then here are some hats. And it does come with the gloves. You gotta be prepared for this winter. We don't know how it's gonna be this year. Oh, look at this one, says Mini Fashionista. And also there's a Scooby-Doo shirt. But this one is plus size, and they are $9. These are all the shoe styles, flippers, sandals. Oh, this one's really nice. I like this one. Pretty. What is that? It's funny. Look, they got shoes, athletic shoes for $12.50 from Batman. There's Paw Patrol, $12.50. Oh, these are soft, cute slippers, different styles, $7. Here's more. I remember buying this a lot. They're comfortable. There's a couple more shirts. Here's a SpongeBob shirt. This is in small. Here's the Scooby-Doo shirt in small for $8. Once again, this one says use your voice. I think those are all the graphic t-shirts. And here's another one. Well, basically the same one that my daughter showed. Here's Lisa from The Simpsons, says overachiever. Nice. For $8. Great prices. Mira. Yeah. I don't know why it took me a while to read that. Look, here are the shirts. Yeah. Aquí está, mira. It's SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, I like this.
That's pretty as well. Look, guys, she's debating. Okay. Think which one you want.
And this SpongeBob. Okay, yeah, SpongeBob.
Okay, she's gonna take SpongeBob for some reason. Why are you taking SpongeBob? I want to know why. Why are you changing?
Funny toy.
Eh?
Yeah, I like SpongeBob. It's because she wears so much white.
We're going to mention these Halloween items too. There's cookies. There's more candy up there for Halloween for $2. Guys, so they really don't have a whole lot of Halloween items displayed out yet, but so far this is what they have for clearance. So it's kind of empty, but that's it, you guys. I'll be coming back once again to give you guys an update for Halloween, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Just made it back from Family Dollar from today's visit, so I'm going to show you guys really quick the haul of the items that I've got. So here are the 2 towels that I've got from today's shopping visit at Family Dollar, and these are 2 kitchen towels for $8, which I think it was a good price for it because they are super soft. So here's some candy, and look, once you shake it, the pumpkin actually glows, which I think is really cool. And so it does light up once you shake it up. It does says right there, and the candy is Warheads. It's a sugar sour candy, and it's really a nice decent amount of candy inside this for only $8. And then here is the Reese's white pumpkin peanut butter chocolate candy as well for $8. And this one right here, which is the Witch's Broom Lollipop candy for $8. And as you guys saw, there was a couple more candy down there, but I only went ahead and grabbed this one because I wanted to try it. And then this is the last thing that I saw there before leaving the store, which is the Sour Box of Boogers. Tangy, gummy boogies that looks and feel real. Oh my gosh, you guys, especially now in these days when everybody started getting sick. like you don't want to hear anything about boogers. So I was like, why not take this box? Because I know here in the house, I know there's 2 people in here that are already sick. So when I saw it, I was like, might as well take it and see what they do or react to it. But anyways, we are going to be trying this. And the artificial flavor for this is the snooter melon, sour green boogie, slime apple, which sounds gross, but we are going to try this. I just think that is cool. She's over there saying ew. Anyway, so here's more candies. Here's the Krabby Patty candies, and I really love this so much, especially these cupcake hosties, which are so good. And then here I have more Lysol disinfecting spray because you guys need to have these at home, especially nowadays. You know, everybody started getting sick, so you want to kind of disinfect everywhere. Here's a big Vaporub as well. You can never go wrong with this. This definitely helps you out, especially when you have a lot of cough. You might want to, you know, rub some of this in the chest, and that will definitely help you out throughout the night. And then here is a degree spray, another detergent for the dishes. And then I went ahead and grabbed these popsicles as well, frozen peanut butter bars. And also, we went ahead and grabbed these saltine crackers that were only $1, I believe. I think everything, yeah. Everything in here was $1, even the toothbrushes. We gotta kind of change the toothbrush, especially when you're sick. Change your toothbrush so that way you don't have to get the old brush where you got sick. So we got that. Here's a couple more cans of soup, which are so good, and I do highly recommend this one. They were $2.50, I believe, but these are so good. I really love this. And also I went ahead and grabbed some pizza, which I already have 4 of these in the oven right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these 2 more as well once I'm done with the other one, because there's no more room. And then here's another bag, but this one is a box of cereal with marshmallows and coffee. You guys know I love coffee, so I wanted to try this one out, which is Cafe Bustelo, and I hope I do end up liking this because I've never tried this one. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of the items that I have shown you guys in this haul. Let me know what you guys think about it, if you guys like it or not. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn notification bells on so you guys don't miss none of my videos once I post for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned if you guys want to see more updates for Halloween items. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys really soon. Peace.